Hi, friends. Welcome to another episode of Hydroponics Heroes. In the past, I have talked about 10 best plants and 5 fast growing plant varieties that we can grow in hydroponic systems. In this episode, I am talking about a few great alternatives to most challenging plant varieties, especially in the context of hydroponics growing. The first plant variety I am talking here is cilantro. Cilantro germination is very challenging. However, we have a few techniques for successful germination and healthy growing with excellent yield. I discussed all the tips and tricks to grow cilantro successfully in hydroponics in various videos. Despite all those techniques, the cilantro can still be very challenging. If that is the case, we have a great alternative to cilantro. It is called culantro. Just one letter is different in name. However, there is no difference in flavor and taste. Cilantro and culantro plants look totally different, and the way how they grow is also totally different. But they are 99% the same in terms of flavor and taste. All we need while growing a culantro is a little patience because culantro seeds take a while to germinate. Once the seeds are germinated, we can't stop them. Culantro plants are stubborn and long living. While cilantro can grow up to 4 months, culantro plants can survive for several months, perhaps years. And just 3 culantro leaves can substitute a whole bunch of cilantro. So, in case the taste and flavor is your main requirement with cilantro, you can definitely try culantro. Trust me, you can't go wrong. The second plant variety I'm talking here is spinach. Very similar to cilantro, spinach germination is also very challenging. Of course, wet paper towel method is my best friend and it's been years I have had failures with spinach. I have successfully grown several varieties of spinach in several hydroponic systems. However, two things that make me think about a spinach alternative. The first one is there is some work germinating spinach seeds using paper towel method and transplanting the seedlings into hydroponic systems. The second thing is spinach is a short crop. With so much effort starting the spinach and transplanting them, I never feel satisfied with the life of the spinach plants. So, considering these two things, the great alternative I found for spinach is the chard. Chard has many varieties, but one variety that is called perpetual spinach is extremely close to spinach in taste, flavor, and texture. Perpetual spinach beat traditional spinach in so many ways. It germinates really fast, having high germination rate, long living, and excellent productivity. I am not talking about nutritional facts here. I am not a nutritionist. However, my online research on nutritional facts also pretty close. So I am very happy to go with these alternatives. Now, the third variety is chives. You may or may not agree with me on this alternative. However, I prefer this alternative. I am specifically talking about onion chives. I am having a very difficulty growing onion chives. I have tried seeds from various seed stores and I even tried Aerogarden's pre-seeded chive pods, but the success rate is less than 5%. So I found that the garlic chives is a great alternative to onion chives, and I am happy to substitute one for the other. The texture is different, but when I use chives for sauteing or garnishing, I don't see a lot of difference. Alright, those are my best alternatives to most challenging plant varieties to grow in hydroponics. Please let me know if you know any other alternatives. Together, we can spread the information and make the hydroponics growing more fun and creative. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.